come here.
What are you doing here?
We are eating mango. You can also sit with us. You can also eat with us. Arjun and Nibir have brought mangoes for us. They always do so. Hey, you can also join us.
No, thanks, dear. Are the mangoes fresh?
Yes, they're fresh and delicious too.
Okay, see you later. Haven't they taken any money from them? No, they haven't, I'm sure. Let's bring some mangoes from them. From whom? From Arjun and Nivir. Great idea. I feel like eating a fresh mango. Let's go quickly. Could you please give us some mangoes? Huh? What? We are selling the mangoes, dear. You have to buy these mangoes. Buy? Do we have to give you money? Yes, dear. But you have given mangoes to them. Have you given mangoes to Rishan, Rafi, Labib? Yes, we have. Then why do you want money from us? Oh, I see. We sell their fruits and get money. We support our family with that money, dear. That's not the right answer. Why haven't you taken money from them? Oh, there is a reason. But don't let them know. What's the reason? We know it's our job, but sometimes we need to help the people. He who doesn't have enough money. Don't they have enough money? No, they are our neighbors, so we know everything about them. We are sorry. You have got it now. Let's buy some fruits and eat together. Wait, now you are going to help others. So we are reducing the price. Thank you. Give us 1 kg mango. Okay. Okay. Spread love, spread happiness.
Spread love, spread happiness.
Spread love, spread happiness.
Spread love, spread happiness.
Spread love, spread happiness. Spread love, spread happiness.
Spread love, spread happiness.
Spread love, spread happiness.
Thank you for watching.